Michelle from A Noble Touch, and today we are doing our Walmart craft challenge. This is the craft challenge I'm doing with This Southern Girl Can and Julie's Wreath Boutique. So what we are doing is just going to certain stores. Today is going to be Walmart, and we're just picking up items that we can make and show that you can get at one store and do all the crafts. So we're going to get started. I'm going to do a garland. This is a 9-foot flocked garland. I have these blue and gold Christmas ornaments. This was, I think, $4.95 for this whole, or $4.98 for this whole thing. Your glue sticks. I have the Gorilla, the long ones. This is the navy and gold ribbon I picked up. And like I said, this is just going to be a simple, this is going to be a simple garland. So I have this pretty navy and gold with the snowflakes. And then I also have this navy and gold that says Merry Christmas on it. Also some floral wire. Some 4-inch zip ties. I have the clear to match up with that. And then also some lights. This is the 3-function 36 LED ultra slim lights. These are on a timer and they're battery operated, so I like that because you can, if you forget to turn them off, they'll turn off and then come back around the same time you put them on. And then of course some wire cutters, scissors, and your rotary cutter and mat. So we are going to go ahead and get started on this. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is take our Christmas ornaments and take these, the top off like this. They usually just snap right off. Then what I do is take a piece of our wire like this, kind of just hook it at the end, just so it forms a little hook there. And then what I like to do is take the top here, push it through, and so that just comes down like this, down that wire. And then I'll push this hooked end into the hole on the top. And then you're going to take your glue gun and put some glue in there and get it kind of on the top too. And then you're going to take the top and push it down like that. So we're going to do all of our ornaments with the wire. I'll show a couple more here. And if you need some pliers or tweezers or something to help you pull off the tops, you can use those. So you're going to push that in like that. And this just gives us a way to attach the ornaments to our garland when we're all said and done. So again, this is going to be a simple, easy garland. I'm not going to go all extravagant with it because I'm just using the supplies. I didn't see, I would have gotten navy and gold mesh if they had it at the Walmart I was at, but they did not. So we're just going to do ribbon and the ornaments and lights on the flat garland. Now, that's not to say your Walmart might carry something different. But I love the navy and blue, and I'm actually going to make this for my mom for a Christmas present this year. I'll probably give it to her early though, so she can enjoy it. So we're just going to keep going with the ornaments, and then we'll be back. Okay, I thought I would zoom in for you and show this again. So you're going to take this wire, just hook it at the end. So it just forms a hook. take the other side and run it through the top, bring it down, and then you're going to push that portion in. Take your glue, fill it up in there, kind of get the edges, and then snap the top back on. Oh, there we go, like that. And then we're going to let these sit up, like that. If you wanted a longer, even close-up direct video on this portion, I do have the poinsettia center tutorial that's on my YouTube channel, so make sure to go over there and check that out, because I do the same for my poinsettia centers. Okay, so I have all of these done, and we're going to go ahead and start cutting up our ribbon. Okay, so now with our ribbon, we're just going to cut up. I did cut up one of the snowflake ones, and then I'm going to cut up all of the Merry Christmas. If I need more of the snowflake, I'll let you know, but right now, let's just try it with 2 rolls of ribbon. So I'm cutting every 14 inches. And then what you're going to want to do is fold your ribbon, because I'm going to fishtail the ends. You don't have to. If you want to cut these on an angle, you could do that as well. So you fold in half again. And the part that's folded or closed, you're going to cut on an angle up. That way you get the fishtail effect. So again, you're going to fold, fold again, and the folded part to the open part, you're going to cut like that and get your fishtail. Like I said, you don't have to do that. If you just want to take your ribbon and just cut on an angle, you can do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting up the ribbon, and we'll be back. Okay, so here we have the 9-foot garland, and I laid it out and I just pushed it down just so it looks nice. And then I went ahead and already tried one of the ribbons. So I went in about 7 inches from the tip here, and then I attached 2 ribbons. So what I did was take one and the other one, let's see, and just cross them. And if you want to kind of pinch the middle so it's a little, you can hold it a little better there, like that. So I think I'm going to go, so I did 7, it's maybe like 21 inches here. And you're just going to take your zip tie and bring it around the greenery and your ribbon. Make sure it's kind of even and pull tight. So what I did was came in 7, and then I did about 14 inches in between. It was 14 in between the next spot. So I'm going to go every 14 inches and just keep putting the ribbon in like this. Okay, so we have all of our ribbon attached. Now what we're going to do is take our wired Christmas tree ornaments here, and let's see here. So I'll take 2 gold and 1 blue. And you just take the wire here, pinch them up top, close to the base, and just twist a couple times to attach them all together. And then go ahead and take this wire, and then we're going to go to the center of this ribbon. And pull down tight and twist the wire. And you can even bring it up back around like the base here. And just wrap it a few times. And then cut off the excess wire. Like that. And then we'll move to the next section. I don't want to knock all this off. So then my next one I did was 2 blue and 1 gold. And just twist the wire around on the bottom, just cure it. And bring it back up and around the base. And we're just going to keep alternating with 2 gold, 1 blue, 1 blue, 2 gold. And I like these because they have the different bulbs in here. Like I said, this is easy, and you know, if you want some garland but it doesn't match your decor, then this is an easy garland to make to match the colors that you want. So we're just going to keep doing that, and we'll be back. Okay, so all the Christmas ornaments are attached with the ribbon. I did went ahead and strung the lights through, and I just took the lights and wrapped them in and out, and then secured the base with the zip tie at the end underneath everything. So I will take some pictures of this up on the mantle and show that picture in the video. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this Walmart craft challenge that we are doing. Also, if you wanted to put more ribbon or more ornaments, that's totally up to you. I just wanted to give you a basis of what to do. So thanks for joining me. And also, please comment in the section if you'd like to see another store that has some items that you've seen and you liked and you might want us to do that store. We're all thinking of different stores we can go to and get the supplies and everything. So I hit the Christmas aisle just because tis the season, and I think Julie and Amber are both hitting different parts of Walmart, like the craft section and stuff, everyday things. But I've been wanting to do a nice pretty garland for my mom, so this is what I'm going to give her for Christmas. But so please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, as well as to Julie and Amber's if you haven't already done so. those girls. They have some great ideas and they do a beautiful job showing them. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, also, if you see my page for some reason first, before you go to Amber and Julie's, just leave a Christmas tree emoji in their comments and let them know you came from A Noble Touch. So thank you. You guys have a great day.